Okay. So hello guys, today I am with Engineer Javed Azmi and Dr. Rams Arif Hawai. Engineer Javed Azmi is a civil engineer by profession. He is the General Secretary of Practicing Architects and Engineering Association of BUND since 1995, having an experience of 30 years in the field of building construction and structural audit with repair and rehabilitation. He is an ex-principal of SAS Polytechnic, BUND. And today we also have Dr. Rams Arif Hawai. He is an advanced dentist and implantologist, practicing since 25 years, having his centers at Bhiwandi, Thane and Pedaro. He was trained under the best in oral implantology by Professor Manuel Chanovas from France. Okay, so first I would like to ask Dr. Rams Arif Hawai to share your thoughts about engineers.
Well, thank you so much for that lovely introduction. And well, frankly, to tell you about what engineers are, I think the world would not move if there wouldn't have been any engineers. Because all the equipment that we use, previously we had dental chair and they used to move on hydraulic. So if the engineers hadn't invented the hydraulic, we wouldn't be using the dental chair. Also, the machines that we use, all are rotary machines. So engineers अगर नहीं होते, तो I don't think dentistry possible हो पाती. लेकिन लाइकवाइज अगर डॉक्टर नहीं होंगे उन मशीनों को यूज़ करने के लिए तो मेडिकल प्रोफेशन काम ही नहीं कर पाएगा व्हाट हैपेंस इज एवरीथिंग गोज हैंड इन हैंड सो एंड देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स व्हिच वी हैव इन्वेंटेड डेंटिस्ट हैव इन्वेंटेड एंड engineers are using. For example, we have taken cantilever bridges from them and they have taken some of the excellent dental cements which they are using for their integration and cementation purpose. Thank you.
Okay, so now I would like to ask Engineer Javed Azmi to share your few thoughts about doctors.
See, doctors are the most essential person for the society and livelihood, living beings. And I think the world without doctors cannot be imagined. May it be dentist or the heart specialist or the surgeon or the ENT specialist. But comparing or giving view about the engineering and dentistry or doctors, it's something like managing your thoughts with some different things. These are two parallel lines, medical and engineering, which has created marvelous in the life of mankind. And human being has developed a lot due to engineering revolutions. Apart from that, doctors have done very much advancement in the field of heart surgery or anything we can think of the life-saving equipments or life-saving things. The doctors have done very good things. So I would appreciate that you have chosen this topic for comparison or discussion amongst the doctors and engineers. So we being the good friends, we can describe them more.
Okay, so this one is a tricky question. Not on the current situation, like COVID situation is going and doctors are very important like now. Not according to the current situation, but I would like to ask both of you one question: that who do you think is important, an engineer or a doctor?
So definitely I will protect my fraternity, because engineering, civil engineering, you can think of. You think of anything, it starts with engineering. Like think of railways, bridges, tunnels, highways, docks, airports, anything. It requires engineering, and engineering has developed day by day. It has started with the possession of mind, with the thoughts. You see, visualization has resulted in some productive things, and engineers have given the best to the world. It does not mean that doctors are not giving their best. It does not mean. But truly speaking, engineers have done a lot. Likewise, computer development, what we see the development in the field of computers today, it has been given by engineers only. And in engineering we say nothing is impossible. Even impossible says I am possible. So that's what engineering is.
Okay, so according to you, you think engineers are more important?
No, I cannot say like that. See, here we are not sitting to degrade or demolish the importance of doctors or of the engineers. As doctors have said, it was hand gloves. So we both should work for the well-being of the mankind, and we are working. So that's what my opinion, I think.
So I would also like to ask Dr. Rams to share his views now.
Well, to frankly tell you, this is not at all a tricky question because both are equally important according to me. For example, if an engineer falls sick, he has to come to a doctor. A paracetamol or an aspirin is prescribed by a doctor, but the mass production is done by the engineer. Same way, if the material has to reach someplace, of course, the vehicles are important, which are made by the engineers. If there has to be a transplant, it has to be done by a doctor, but has to be, the transplant has to be, the organ has to be transported by the vehicle made by the engineer. So I presume everything is as important. So both goes hand in glove, both are important. So one invents, other uses, other invents, the other person uses. So that's how it is. And I feel very strongly that if the world to be a better place, both are equally needed in this society.
So according to you, both are important. Like both are together. Like without engineers, doctors are nothing. And without doctors, engineers are nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you very much, Dr. Rams Arif Hawai and Engineer Javed Azmi for the interview today. And we would like to end this video. And if you would like to say a few words regarding the current situation going on in the world, you can.
Well, it was a very good initiative taken by you to get this topic out regarding who are important. And now that we have not debated and agreed on the point that both are important, what I really would like to tell you is regarding the current situation is don't panic. Be completely calm and composed. Doctors are taking care, there are health workers who are taking care, there are support workers who are taking care of the situation. All you need to do is follow the rules which have been set by the government and the doctors, and those rules are for the betterment of the society. So at this moment, whatever rules come out, whatever lockdowns or left ups are going to be there, all you need to do is just follow it diligently, because lots of thought process has gone behind that, and that thought process has made us do these things. So till the time we have fought the COVID situation, we have been very, very successful in doing that, especially India and especially our own hometown Bhiwandi. So all the best, and I really wish you all the best for the initiative that you have taken. Thank you.
Yeah.